You can see there is a lot of consolidation in Nasdaq in the Asia and London session, and that's why I'm expecting a volatility in New York session. And as you can see, we get a good volatility in the New York session. And today is a Friday, and generally I'm observing from 2 to 3 weeks. Friday gives a good probability trades, high probability trades. And as you can see here, Friday there is a 1 hour imbalance at this point. BPR range, there is an inversion fair value gap. Also, we have strong change setup, price rejecting from that 50-minute fair value gap, but still I'm expecting a selling because New York doesn't put a day low. I'm expecting it put a day low, and as you can see here, there is a price pullback at this point. You can see this FEG, there is a rejection from it, use change set of delivery, creating a 1 minute fair value gap, and as you can see, price rejecting from that, and you can enter at this point, put a sell above this and target up to exactly London low. And as you can see, you can also enter if we get confirmation here at this point, you can enter and put a sell above this, and this is the confirmation of selling, and you can enter at this point also, or if you enter here, then also a good point. And as you can see, the next trade after that, there is a choppy action is showing in the market, and you can see price rejecting. This is accumulation, this is manipulation, and now distribution. You can see price rejecting from this high time frame fair value gap. There is a 1 minute inversion, but I'm not interested to enter at this point because you can see the risk reward is very high, a very high risk trade this is, and the reward is very less because you have to apply risk management at this low. If you take this trade, enter here, put a sell above this candle which inverse this FVG, and that's it. If you take a loss, then no problem, this loss is a part of game, but overall is a good trade. And after that, the A plus trade from here, you can see there is a lot of low resistance liquidity, price rejecting from higher time frame imbalance. And you can see here we have SMT, change in setup delivery. You can see this 1 minute inversion, and as you can see, you can enter at this point and target up to this level. So that's the A plus trade of the day, and you can see this is the 2 A plus trade at the form, but I will say this is the A plus plus trade, one of the best trade which form here.